Toot toot! Nina the Narwhal was excited for today's adventure. She gathered her friends, Ollie the octopus and Sandy the seahorse. Nina explained they would explore Coral Cove to learn about the different creatures and plants living there. As the trio swam through the vibrant reef, they marveled at colorful fish and dancing seaweed. Nina pointed out how important it is to protect their habitat from trash. They decided to have a cleanup party after their adventure. Together, they collected garbage, teaching that every small action helps their home. With smiles and a clean cove, they'll cherish their friendship and the ocean's beauty.